Murugamiriri munene wa Simbas Wangila Simiyu umuthi guku mucini wa Nairobi niarekereirie Maritwa ma athaki aria magakorwo makihambatana na timu ya Hong Kong ngucanio ya wihariria wa Rugby World Cup iria igakorwo bururi-ini wa Amerika mweri wa 7 mwaka turorete. Kuringana na Simiyu ni makuruhanitie athaki ethi o ndumwe na taranda njeru kuma irabu itiganite guku bururi-ini.
So this is a great opportunity to have the young and upcoming players to be given this chance to be tested at one of the best world rugby series test game against Hong Kong this coming Sunday.
Athaki eru atandatu aria makuruhanitio ni hamwe na Jesse Kubasu, Philip Ikambili, Emmanuel Mavala, Brad Owako na Alex Olaba makiongerera hinya mweru hari timu ino. Athaki angĩ ni Dennis Muhanji, Biko Adema, Dennis Karani, Oscar Simiyu magithondeka timu ya athaki 23.
Having Hong Kong come in Kenya is a big honor at this time of life in Kenya. It shows the confidence world rugby has in the sport of rugby and Kenya as a country.
I'm very hopeful we are going to win because we have been training together. We have just done everything that we need to do. Everyone is putting what he has to do is in place.
Ona gutuka Simbas matikoretwo magika wega muno magithaka na irabu cia nja wa Afrika maricemba gutigirira ni mayukia uhotani ngucanio-ini ino. Akenya ni moritwo makiumire na njira nene muthenya wa kiumia mathaa ma miaraho kunyitirira the Simbas makanyita ugeni timu ya Hong Kong ya rugby. Haduni hamethe ya mathako ya Kameme TV kuma guku kiharu-ini kia Refu Rugby Ground ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.